What happens to custody if one parent goes to jail? Hi, Sandra Fuentez with Fuentez Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. If you have a parent that goes to jail and is incarcerated for a long time, typically, if there's a custody order in place, the parent who is out of jail and free is going to have to make sure that that custody order is in compliance. So if they were not the parent who was designated the primary residential parent for the children, then that parent's going to have to go to court to modify so that they get a court order designating them as the primary parent to be able to do the school enrollment, change them from school, all those type of things without having cooperation from the other parent who's in jail. And typically, if you've got a parent in jail for that amount of time, that person wants sole custody so that they don't have any issues getting information or having to get passports signed by the parent who's in jail, especially if it's a situation in which that other parent's not going to be visiting that person in jail or that person's not going to be cooperative in things. So that's what has to do. If there is no custody order in place, then typically you don't have to go to court to get a custody order. It would just be the parent who's not incarcerated who would take over rearing the children. If it's not a parent who's able to take over taking care of the children on a daily basis, and it's a third party, a grandparent, or some other third party that the children end up living with for a significant amount of time, then that person has to file for a third party custody case in Texas.